What's up, everybody? I'm James, and today I want to introduce you to FBS TV. FBS TV is just designed to help the Franklin family communicate and collaborate on important information. On this channel, we're going to be covering things such as product knowledge, safety, and the importance of lean improvements. We're also going to be covering those important topics like problem solving, eliminating the 8 deadly wastes, and establishing some SOPs. So you might be asking yourself, what's the point to all this? Well, the point is really the ability to communicate across all departments. That's what it comes down to. It's a collective learning. A good example of that is, hang on, like something like this. What is this? What is it actually used for? What do we call it as Franklin? And most importantly, what is its UPC code? So we can all get our inventory correct. So watch your peers on FBS TV. Make sure you engage with them. Thumbs up, leave comments, ask questions. Let's help each other grow personally and professionally. And Bob, man, Bob, you gotta go up, man. Go up, Bob. No, up. Oh, you got him? You got him? Thanks. Anyway, until next time, world champions, make sure you hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, hit the little bell so you always stay informed, and if anybody else has a second, I could use help finishing up my project.